Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Nissan Leaf. First, locate the 12-volt battery, typically found under the hood. It's crucial to prioritize safety, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Before connecting any cables, ensure both your Nissan Leaf and the assisting vehicle are completely turned off. This prevents electrical surges and potential damage to either car systems. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Nissan Leaf's 12-volt battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal part of your Nissan Leaf's chassis, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Once connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the Leaf's 12-volt battery to receive a sufficient charge before you attempt to start it. To disconnect the cables safely, reverse the order of connection. First, remove the black negative clamp from the Leaf's chassis, then the black negative from the assisting vehicle. Next, remove the red positive from the assisting vehicle, and finally, the red positive from your Leaf. After successfully jump-starting, drive your Nissan Leaf for at least 20 minutes to ensure the 12-volt battery recharges fully. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.